Hey guys, this is Shiny K056 and today I'm doing a Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading card game unboxing Zexal collection, which came out last month. This is actually my first Yu-Gi-Oh! Unboxing and pretty much in my channel. Yep, time to rip this bad boy up. I just got it today, which is April 13th. And oops, and how it looks like. Looks nice. Also got a 50 pack of sleeves. And here you get a beginner's guide and shows you all this. I don't care. I already know how to play Yu-Gi-Oh! Played it. And now we get this plastic thing, which I don't give a crap. And is there anything else? Anything in the box? Nope. That's tin. Which I gotta throw that out. So yeah. There's a pack. And before we get to opening these guys up, we're gonna open this up real fast. Or hope. So yeah, I'm not always prepared with these. Crap, I should have gotten the scissors. So let's see. Find that part out. Wait, I think I got it. Got the hang of it. I hope. And I did not. Let me move this 10 away. Wait, I got it. And the sleeves. Holographic. Which open this packet. Yeah, you get 2 packets. And yeah. Looks 3D. So, but before, let's open Gaga Magician. Or should we? So, we got Gaga Magician, number 20, Giga Brilliant, Gaga Boat, Galaxy Expedition, Galaxy Wizard, Accelerite, number 61, Volcasaurus, Message in a Bottle, Dimension Wander, Dodo Warrior, number 56, Gold Rat, Zubaba Buster, Galaxy Zero, and Photon Slasher. So yeah. So pretty much these are awesome. All limited edition. These are all, I think these are all limited editions. Right? No. Some are first and limited edition. I wonder if we have a second. So yeah. Can't wait to play with these cards. Looks awesome. Yeah. Whee! It's Yu-Gi-Oh! So yeah, hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Hopefully I'll do more of these soon. I have like 2 tens of these now, and I have 1 starter I think deck. So yeah, hope you enjoy and see you guys later. Bye.